Hi guys, today I will give you some little information about special products. Basically, in a product of a binomial and a trinomial. Let's get started. Example, we have this binomial 6bc minus 7x. Given this binomial factor, we cannot perform yet special product because we didn't have any trinomial factor. So, let's find the trinomial factor. Okay, to find the trinomial factor, first step, we square the first term of the binomial factor. 6bc, when you squared it, it will give you 36 b squared c squared. Second step, the opposite of the product of the first and second term of the binomial factor. 6bc times 7x, negative 7x, will give you 42 bcx. It should be positive because, as stated in the rule, it should be the opposite of the product of the first and second term of the binomial factor. Lastly, we square the second term of the binomial factor. 7x negative 7x when squared will give you a positive 49x squared. Why positive? Simply because the square of a negative integer will always give you a positive integer. Finally, we completed the factors of the binomial and trinomial. Now, let's find its value by using distributive property. Okay. 6bc when distributed to 36 b squared c squared will give you an answer of 216 b cubed c cubed. Plus 6bc when distributed to 42 bcx will give you an answer of positive 252 b squared c squared x plus 6bc times 49x squared will give you an answer of positive 294 bcx squared. Then let's try the second term. Negative 7x times 36b squared c squared will give you an answer of negative 252 b squared c squared x. Then negative 7x multiplied to 42 bcx will give you an answer of negative 294 bcx squared. Lastly, negative 7x multiplied to positive 49x squared will give you an answer of negative 343 x cubed. Let's bring down 216 b cubed c cubed and negative 343 x cubed. We didn't include the 252 b squared c squared x and 294 b squared c squared x because when they both added to their opposite, it will give an answer of 0. So the final answer is 216 b cubed c cubed minus 343 x cubed. Now let's try it in a shorter method. 6bc minus 7x times 36b squared c squared plus 42bcx plus 49x squared. In short method, we simply cube the first term of the binomial factor, which is 6bc is equals to 216 b cubed c cubed. Next step is cube the second term of the binomial factor. Negative 7x is equals to 343x cubed negative. As you can see, the final answer we've got, both in short and long method, is also the same. 216b cubed c cubed minus 343x cubed. Let's summarize. In getting the trinomial factor, we simply square the first term of the binomial factor. Second, the opposite of the product of the first and second term of the binomial factor. And lastly, square the second term of the binomial factor. In getting the final answer, we simply cube the first term of the binomial factor and cube the second term of the binomial factor. Take note, the final answer should have two terms. Thank you guys for listening, and I hope this session can widen your understanding with special products, especially the product of a binomial and a trinomial. Thank you guys.